morning, guys, and happy Sunday. Welcome back to another vlog. Today is going to be a little Sunday vlog. You guys going to spend this Sunday with me. My vlogs are very much backed up, but I'm keeping on with the vlogging. I was like, I just need to vlog. I'll figure out when I post them, how I post them, but I need to vlog. Because I kinda maybe want to do a vlogmas. So, vlogmas? I don't know, but we shall see. So I'm like, I should just vlog whenever I can vlog. And today's that day. But today's Sunday morning. It's like 8 something. Yeah, 8:30. And I really want to make curry goat today, guys. And I want to make curry goat, but I did not buy the curry goat last night and season it. So I'm about to, because we just didn't have time to go to the store. Daniel had to work yesterday, and by the time we got done with regular grocery shopping, we just didn't have time to hit the other store to go get the curry goat. So I'm just gonna go get it today. I'm gonna go get it this morning. I'm gonna run to the store right now, go get it, season it, and leave it for like 3-4 hours and then cook it, right? I feel like that's fine. Like, that's the best I got. But we want curry goat, so I'm making curry goat. So that's what I'm about to do. And then I have brunch today with Magda. You guys have not seen Magda on the vlog for so long. But you know, adult relationships, we just don't be seeing each other. But Luna, every time I'm in the bathroom, Luna thinks it's her time to come to the bathroom and use the bathroom too. Girl. Good. You didn't go in there to do a thing. You didn't even go in there to do a thing. My silk press is definitely, I don't know. It still looks fine, but I think it's now at the point where it's like, okay, girl, we're just putting you up in buns. And so I'm just going to put her in a bun for the week. I'm trying to hold out until the last week before, I think, like next week. Because I have a Friendsgiving. Okay. Clearly, she's not done. She's telling you she's not done. That lovely present you just gave me. But as I was saying, it's like I have some clip-ins that I want to do. And I do have Friendsgiving coming up. It's next weekend, right? Is it next weekend? Not this weekend. Yeah, not this weekend, but not this weekend that's coming up, but the next weekend I have Friendsgiving, and then obviously the next weekend after that is Friendsgiving. So I think if I just wear my hair out, my bun this week, then next week I can do it, and then it will just last, you know, for Friendsgiving, Thanksgiving week. So I don't have to worry about that. And then whatever, at that point I'll be like 3 weeks in. I'm gonna have to do it again. I'm gonna have to do something to my hair again before I leave to Jamaica. So y'all know how that goes. The figuring out your hair around the holidays is so annoying. I'll let that be. And then I just do like the fold over bun like that, so that it's like messy in the back type vibe. I like that style because I feel like it just looks better. For now it looks fine. I'm gonna let me spray it. Let me spray and tie back down. Also, Maverick City Music, I don't know how I didn't know about them before, but they make some of the best worship songs. Like, praise be to God. I love listening to Maverick City Music. Alright, let me just moisturize real quick. Put some deodorant on. Oof. God, y'all see that? That's my shoulder, you guys. Like, the way on my shoulder, I can't move too fast, too sudden or whatever. It's so bad, you guys. I have to go get a, like, I went to go see ortho. We did a bunch of x-rays. They said there's nothing wrong with my shoulder. He was just like, oh, you have some arthritis in my neck, which totally tracks for the job that I have. I'm always complaining. You guys know I'm always complaining about my neck. But he was like, yeah, there's arthritis and there's some like inflammation over the rotator cuff. I don't know, like, it's just so bad. Like, you got, like, I can't move too sudden, move too fast. My arm range of motion is just not where it's supposed to be. But he said the x-rays look fine. I don't know. I don't know if I need an MRI. Take a look at the tissues versus the bones. I don't know. We'll see. He sent me to PT, but PT doesn't start until next month. Of course, right? Of course. Of course. Because why would they be appointments available for me to go see PT? I'm not even touching my skin because I'm going to come back right here and do my makeup anyways. Alright, let me get my Uber. But it is just, it's not okay. My shoulder is not okay. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. Where am I going? Alright, I should be back by like 9:30. Should not take me long to do this. I'm gonna come back, season it, and that should be that. There's probably no drivers around, so it's probably gonna take a while. Oh, 3 minutes. Great. I'll see you guys when I get back. Alright guys, back from the store. Quick stop to the store. Guys, I told y'all I bought these shirts last year, and then without even wearing the shirt, I wore the shirt once, and I have no idea what happened here. This is the strangest thing ever. And I've washed it and it doesn't come out, but I'm still gonna wear it. So I just wear it as like I wear it if I know I'm not gonna take my jacket off. Because I paid, like, these shirts were expensive and they're thermal wear, so I'm like, I'm gonna keep wearing it. But we got the goats. We got 3 pounds. I didn't plan on getting that much, but it is what it is. At least we have enough for, and I wanted to make rice and peas, but I didn't soak the peas last night. I have dry gunga peas in the pantry. Didn't soak it last night, so I was like, I'm just gonna pick up a can. Yeah. So that's that. Let me go ahead and get this. Let me put this stuff in the dishwasher real quick. My favorite thing is to literally just chase Luna all around the apartment. So yeah, I think it was frozen, so I'm gonna put it in some cold water. Yeah, it's not that much. Like, it's a good amount for like, we want it for like 3 days, so we'll see. But it's frozen. Because I was worried at first that they didn't have any. Because when I was there, I only saw oxtail, didn't see any goat. And I was like, oh, the goat's on the freezer, isn't it? And so when I asked him for it, he's like, yeah, we have it. I just got to go get it. And I was like, yeah, it's on the freezer. So it's frozen. Just so annoying. But we're just going to, I'm going to let it sit in cold water for a little bit. play with Luna, and then season it and get ready to get out of here because I actually gotta go soon. It's about to be 10. Brunch is at 11:30. We said we were gonna meet at 11:30. Hey! She's about to knock the tree over. We said we were gonna meet at 11:30, so I'm gonna let this sit a little bit. No, Luna! Tunes! Leave it! You can leave your butt. Guys, she's about to knock this tree over. But anyways, I'm gonna let it sit in some water, thaw as much as it can, and then season it before I go. It's time to season the goat. So I have it here. It's a little bit, it's thawed. I'm going to grab my curry powder, all my seasonings here. I know the last time I cooked with y'all, which was last vlog, we cooked curry chicken. Same exact thing that we're going to do here for the curry goats. Nothing really different. So I'm gonna put some pimento in there first of all. Put a couple. Whatever. And then we start with the basics. So the basics that I put, so pepper, salt, garlic. I'm also going to put fresh garlic in there too. So minced garlic. And put a lot of garlic in there. There's never too much garlic. Alright, where are we? Then I'm going to use seasoned salt. This is like Lawry's seasoned salt. Just the tips of paprika, not much. Some adobo. And then some where is it? Oh, I'm out. Okay. So those are the base seasonings. We're gonna go in with the curry powder. I'm pretty sure I have Maggie all. Is this? I don't know what this is. I think it's, I don't know. But I thought I had some like Maggie, but I don't. I'm out. I should have gotten some at the store, but whatever. Generous amount of the curry powder on here. And I like to go ahead and put onions in there. And give everything a nice mix. There's still some pretty big pieces in there. That's a big piece. I think this has a bone. refrigerator and let it sit for, I think it will sit for 10:30, 11:30, 12:30, 1:30, 3 hours. I think I'll be home by then. We'll see. I think I'll start at 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5 hours. It's not going to take 5 hours to cook. So I'm hoping it's going to be done by 7. So that's a good time for us to eat. So we'll see. Like, I've bought that goat before, so I know it doesn't take 5 hours to cook. But we will see. We'll see. Anyways, I'm about to go find something to wear to brunch. I don't know what I'm gonna wear. Hey y'all. I am ready, but Maka just texted me and she's 15 minutes behind schedule. So, I'm just gonna wait before I go there. I'm just hoping she's not much more later than that, because I'm starving, number one, and I just have shit to do today. So that's that. I was gonna say, I need to upload some stuff off the little camera, so I'm gonna do that right now. And then pack my bag. Well, I don't feel like bringing a bag today, but yeah, I'm literally starving. My stomach's growling. And if I get to that place and it's packed, I'm gonna be so mad, because you can't make reservations. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. But I can't find the memory card holder for that memory card. It's pissing me off. Oh, found it. So let's upload. I'm just wearing this sweater top from H&M, no, from TJ Maxx. The pants are from H&M, and I just have on my little booties. But yeah, that's the fit. That's the fit of the day. Just very simple, very cutesy, very demure. I had these pants for like, I don't know, like 3 years now. They're finally fitting very nicely. But yeah, that's the vibe. That's the vibe. Alright guys, I'm about to go grab my Uber, and I'll see you guys when I get to the restaurant. Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Yes. It's 445. Sorry, 4405. Thank you.
Come on, right?
Yes.
Take a seat, Ben.
Yes. Thank you.
Hey, look on my face, you know, like when you're looking for who you're trying to find,
Right.
and you got that resting face on. Wait, where are we? There we are. Hi. Hey, vlog. Why? You bought about $2 songs. The only thing that I the 1990s like freestyle kind of thing, but I don't like the quality. It's just really right? I like that one. It is, but like feel it. Oh, it feels like paper. Exactly. What the heck? Quality is not good. Guys, we're in Old Navy. That is cute. Huh? That is cute. I like that. Yep. Never a good idea. Girl, this is enough. It is not. What more do you want? What more do you want? Okay, I need a soap pump. A soap pump, the bathroom. Yes, I have a pumpkin one now, and now I need a Christmas one. Hi guys, I'm back home, and I want to show you guys the stuff that I got from. Well, we went to Marshall's. Put you guys here. We this is here. I can't wait to change. We went to Marshall's, but the line at Marshall's was like wrapped around the building. Okay, so I was like, I'm not getting anything in here. And then we stopped into Old Navy, didn't really find anything. And then we went into Burlington, and that's where we found some stuff. What was I saying? It's so late. And I have to start. I should just put the curry goat in the slow cooker before I left, but it's gonna be done at like 10 o'clock tonight, so we're not gonna have dinner. I don't know what I was thinking, but I need it to come to room temperature for a little bit, so I probably won't even put it on until in like 15 minutes. I'll put it on like 15 minutes, but it's gonna take a while to cook. Like it's gonna take at least 4 hours to cook, so I don't know what I was thinking. It says 1 to 2.5 hours. I don't think so. I would say at least 3 hours to cook. So if I put it on at 3:45, 4:45, 5:45, 6:45, maybe a 7:45 dinner. I don't know. It shouldn't take that long, and I feel like the person that I usually buy from, their meats usually cook pretty fast. Like the oxtail usually cooks pretty fast, so whatever. Anyways, let's go through this haul. I wanted what did I want? Okay, that's too dark. I wanted a new throw for like a Christmas throw. I wanted a Christmas throw. The thing is, I'm trying to like collect things for my like apartment in my home for like the holidays, like different holidays, and like store them, because I just feel like this is like my 3rd year living on, like, we live on our own now, and we're just like slowly collecting things. And like the first year or so, I wasn't really like into, like, I wasn't really big on like collecting stuff and like decorating in the sense of like having different things for different seasons. So I kind of wanted to do that. So little by little, I try to just pick up little things here and there just to like build a collection so that every year I don't have to buy stuff, right? Because for the fall stuff, I pulled out a lot of fall stuff from last year, and I pulled out a lot of Christmas stuff from last year. There were just a few like kitchen stuff, bathroom stuff I never need to like buy, because I just save that stuff and I only use them during the holiday seasons. So I pulled those out of the cabinet yesterday. But in terms of like little decor items for like just around the apartment and stuff, that's what we need to work on. But I think we're good for now. But I did get some greenery. As much as there's a Christmas tree in here, I think I'm gonna put this in the bathroom. So I think this is cute, and I think this would be nice for like the bathroom, just to give the bathroom a little pop of color and little character in the bathroom. And like these are things that are just like easy to store and put away, so I like that. And then I got this cutest, Martha and I got these. This was like $4. So Burlington has the best prices. Like TJ Maxx and Marshall sometimes can be a little pricey, but Burlington is so cheap. I did not realize that. But this was $4. It's so cute. I got this for the coffee bar because the one I had, why did it just break yesterday when I was putting it away? But that one was from like the Dollar Tree, so it did break. But this, it's like pretty good quality, and this was like $8. And then this little cute little Christmas tree. I think I'm gonna put this over by the what do you call it? Either in the kitchen, or that's the thing, like the bedroom, there's nowhere in the bedroom for us to like decorate stuff. Like the bedroom just says, the bedroom is the most bland room in our house, and that's because we really just sleep in there. Like I'm never in the bedroom hanging out unless I like read, and I sit in my little chair and I read sometimes, but also like I don't need anything decorative in the room. But I do want to, we've been thinking about changing out the curtains for a while now, because our curtains in our bedroom, they're too small for our window. So like there's like half of our window that's still not covered by curtains. We've been had those curtains for like a year now, and we've been trying to find good quality curtains to replace them. We just cannot make a decision, but we definitely need to get like wider curtains and longer and better blackout curtains, because the ones we have right now really suck. Like half the window isn't even covered. So, and then we need to get a new bed base, but it's not like a priority right now. Like our bed base is a tiny bit broken, but it's fine. It's just like one of the middle bases came out, but it's okay. It's been standing up, so until it falls, it is what it is. But we don't really do anything to the bedroom. So, because Magda was like, oh, just put it in your bedroom. But I was like, I don't really put anything in the bedroom. And I don't have anything on my nightstand because Luna knocks everything off our nightstands. So that's that. So I think I'm going to put this either by the door, the kitchen, or somewhere. Or maybe even the bathroom. We'll see. And then I got two. So when I was in Marshall's, I was looking at the throws. Why were the throws like $25, $29? And I was like, why are they so expensive? Like, it's just a little throw. Went into Burlington, saw this beautiful throw. It has tassels for $12. $12. And then I got this very Christmassy one. This is so cute. I got this one with the cats on it because I'm a cat mom. And this one was $9. So I ended up getting 2 throws for the price of 1. That's all I got. So my bill was, what did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Is it 5? Yeah. For like $40. If it was Marshall's, it would have been a lot more expensive. But this is so cute. This is definitely going on the coffee bar. It was funny because when we were in the store, Magda found one and she was like, oh, you can have it. And I was like, no, you found it, you get dibs on it. And then we walked around a little bit more and found another one. So it was meant to be. Yeah. I'm about to go study. I have to do my weekly reading assignments. This is kicking my butt. This is the part of the program that is kicking my butt. The reading assignments. I cannot pay attention to these reading assignments for my life. So I'm gonna have to sit down and do that. And focus. I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna try. But yeah, that's that. I'll see you guys when I am cooking. Cute.
Alright guys, done with dinner. About to take a quick shower and then eat my dinner and get ready to go to bed. It's already like 7:30, so I gotta wrap it up. I made my breakfast for tomorrow and everything is ready for me to pack up. I just have to eat, and y'all, I didn't even look at my reading assignments this weekend. It's because I worked on Friday. If I didn't work on Friday, I would have done it, but I didn't even peek at it. So, and my test opens up tomorrow, so I'll probably do it on Tuesday. But I have not read, so I'm gonna have to skim through tomorrow after work, and I have a long day tomorrow, so I'm gonna have to skim through tomorrow after work. I'm gonna skim through while I'm sitting down eating dinner too, and see what this reading assignment is all about, because the last week's test was based off the reading assignment, so we'll see. I'm already slacking. Ugh. Did not work rings. Whatever. But yeah. Taking a shower, y'all. How to take this makeup off. I'm using this micellar water I showed you guys on the last vlog. It doesn't burn. It does not burn at all. I find that the Garnier micellar water, that one burns so bad. So I don't like that one. When I say it doesn't burn, I mean it doesn't burn your eyes. Not my skin. Like, it doesn't burn my eyes. Like the Garnier, you use that around your eyes, it will burn the crap out of you. At least that is in my experience. That's what I experienced. But this, you can rub your eyes and it does not burn. I wonder why the Garnier does that. I'm gonna double cleanse today. I'm gonna double cleanse with purifying, and then I'm gonna go in with this, which is like, this is like triple cleanse, because the micellar water is considered your first cleanse, so it's about to be a triple cleanse.